Deep within the magical meadow, the ancient gearwork that controlled the seasons suddenly ground to a complete halt.
The entrance to the underground chamber. I'm going in.
You're going in alone? Without even checking?
Together, the timid inventor and the fearless explorer ventured deep into the forgotten depths beneath the earth. At the heart of the cavern lay the Great Spring Cog, jammed tightly by centuries of rust and overgrown vines. With Nutmeg clearing the massive levers and Barnaby aligning the intricate gears, the ancient machine began to stir.
Yes, it worked! Barnaby, you did it! We made it! Finally! Look, the sun! By combining bravery with brilliant mind, the two unlikely friends saved the meadow and welcomed the spring back home.